5,000 years ago, this land called India chose knowledge as its true wealth, not gold, not territory, not power over others, but understanding. It was shared, debated, refined, and carried forward. Knowledge was not an endpoint. It was a living process. From legendary Indian centers of learning, generations gathered not to memorize answers, but to ask deeper questions, discipline, and courage. In this land, the idea of nothing became the power of everything. Zero was not emptiness. It was clarity, a simple insight that transformed mathematics and quietly reshaped the foundations of modern civilization. In Indian sacred geometry and precise patterns, we searched for the hidden order of the universe. In ratios, symmetries, and structures, we looked for meaning beyond the visible. With patient eyes turned toward the stars, we mapped the skies through systematic thought and careful observation. Not myth, not haste, but method. Knowledge here was built slowly, tested rigorously, and respected deeply. From palm leaves to photons, this civilizational intelligence never stopped flowing. It adapted to new eras. It evolved with the new tools. It endured through change, carrying ancient wisdom forward into a modern world defined by speed, scale, and complexity. Today, that same Indian spirit protects billions of lives as vaccines made in India reach every corner of the planet, quietly, reliably, at scale. With modest means and bold imagination, India reaches for Mars and beyond, proving that disciplined science can overcome distance, doubt, and gravity itself. This is innovation rooted in purpose, not spectacle. Our digital public infrastructure stands as an open canvas, scalable, secure, and inclusive. Systems designed not for a privileged few, but for every citizen. Platforms that invite participation. Frameworks that enable trust. Technology that serves society rather than controlling it. Within this open ecosystem, ideas grow into startups. Startups grow into global companies, and innovation becomes a shared engine of opportunity. Across the world, Indian talent now shapes AI labs, research centers, and technology companies. Not as followers of trends, but as builders of systems, architects of solutions, and collaborators in global progress. Here, AI is shaped by democratic values. Transparency instead of opacity. Accountability instead of anonymity. Human dignity instead of automation without empathy. Systems are designed to be explainable. Decisions are meant to be questioned. Data is treated as a trust, not a commodity. This approach is not accidental. It is intentional. India has governed complexity before, across languages, cultures, climates, faiths, and communities. AI is simply the next system to be stewarded with care, wisdom, and foresight. For our planet, AI becomes a partner in healing, tracking climate risks before disasters strike, guiding cleaner energy transitions, protecting forests, water, and shared natural resources for generations to come. For our people, AI opens new doors. Personalized learning for every child, regardless of location. Precise guidance for every farmer, regardless of land size. Early insights for every community, regardless of income. Progress that reaches everyone, not just a few. In many Indian scripts and many living tongues, multilingual AI learns to speak the language of every Indian. Listening before responding. Understanding before advising, because no voice should be unheard and no future should be out of reach. In a world searching for direction, in the age of artificial intelligence, India offers not domination, but demonstration. This is not about building the fastest machines. It is about building the wisest systems. This is why India has the legitimacy to lead. Welcome to the India AI Impact Summit 2026.